I took a screenshot of these two thank you pages. These pages are where somebody lands right after someone gives you their email address so that they can get your freebie. And based on running an email marketing tool that has sent over 3.1 billion emails, most people create the thank you page on the left, this one. Now, this isn't my thank you page, but I'm just showing to prove a point. So you can see that on this thank you page, the person actually created the download link right here. So someone opts in, they can just download their freebie and be done with it. They don't have to check and open their emails. Now, on my right, this is my thank you page. You can see that the freebie is not on that page at all. It goes out in an email, so people have to actually open and click the link before they can get it. So why do I do it this way? Why don't I put the direct download link to the freebie right on the thank you page? There are 4 reasons for that. Number 1 is that their very first email from you is one that they had to open and click. This trains them to open and click your emails in the future as well. If you build the left page like this one instead, then the first email you ever send them is one they never needed to open in the first place. Number 2, a fake email address or a typo never gets the freebie. And number 3, the reason is that people who click are the ones worth having anyway. Remember that you're paying for your email tool based on the number of subscribers you have in your account. So why pay for subscribers who don't open your emails anyway? And reason number 4 is that your email deliverability reputation goes up because people are opening and clicking your emails. This tells Gmail and other email providers you are sending emails that people actually want to engage with. And when your email reputation goes up, the chances that your future emails land in the inbox also goes up. And here's a quick tip. On your lead capture page, for example, this one, you can hint to the person about to enter their email address that the freebie will only be delivered via email. So for me, I say it this way: send the first mistake to my email now. So this is pretty obvious to them that if they try to game the system, for example, by typing a non-existent email address, then they will not be able to get this freebie. Now, fewer people will collect your freebie this way, and I'm fine with that because the ones who do are worth more to me than a list of people who never open anything. And in case you're wondering, this is not double opt-in. Double opt-in keeps a person off your list until they click. This one puts them on your list straight away and just holds the freebie back. Stay till the end and I will give you the prompt that write the thank you page copy and email copy so that you can do this hands-free. The AI will do the work for you with no AI slop. Now for the email marketing tool, to deliver your first email as well as subsequent emails, if you don't already use one, you can use a tool like BirdSend, but you can also use any legit ones. I use BirdSend because this is my business. My small team and I built this tool for digital creators. And our pricing is very affordable. As you can see over here, for 1,000 contacts, it's only $9 per month, and 2,500 contacts is only $14 per month, etc., etc. So if you're interested, you can go to birdsend.co and check it out. And in this section, I'm going to show you how to use AI to help you come up with the thank you page copy as well as the first email copy. And don't worry, there will not be any AI slop because of the way that I have structured the prompt. And I'm also going to be giving you this prompt. As you can see here, you can get it for free. The link is in the description. So we go back here. Now, in this example, I'm using Claude, but you can use any AI. You can use ChatGPT, Gemini, anything. And you can also do it on a free account. So you copy the prompt just now, the one I showed you, and you paste it here and click enter. All right, the AI is asking what's the free thing, who is it for, and what will they be able to do after using it. I have prepared this. So the free thing is a guide for parents who have trouble communicating and maintaining a good relationship with their teenagers. When they apply the tips in the guide, they'll be able to resolve conflicts, understand how their teenagers think, so they have more empathy, and become the parent their teenagers want to talk to. So I press enter, and it's asking me what name will the delivery email come from. You can type in your name here. In this example, I'm just going to type in my name. Okay, the AI came back. So this is the confirmation page or the thank you page copy. Check your inbox. We just emailed you the guide to a better relationship with your teen. Look out for it in your inbox, the name, and then the subject. And then for the email copy, subject is your guide to talking with your teen. Note at them. Here's the guide you asked for. It covers how to resolve conflicts with your teenager, understand how they think, and become the parent they actually want to talk to. Click here to get your guide. So this is where you would link this to your actual freebie. Again, the free AI prompt is free at cartmango.com/g/resources, and the link is also in the description. If this was useful, please consider liking and subscribing. See you in the next one.